What's up, guys? It's me, wheezer here. Today we're gonna be playing Flying Gorilla. You can download it on the App Store or the Play Store, whatever you got. So, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and let's play
Flying Gorilla.
Flying Gorilla. Oh, this is what? Ow!
Flying Gorilla.
This is such a good ad. I'd want to go on YouTube, but huh? Kim Kardashian.
This is how I would cry if my bestie died.
A little bit clearer, the light, the sounds within.
This is not looking good. What the heck? Steven! Bro, what? I'm gonna need that for later. I'm so good at this game. What? I was right there, you ninja! Let's go! I beat the game! Okay. Here's red. I don't like this game. This game is really bad. Jimmy Judy would not approve of this. Fuck. Okay, I'm not leaving. I'm not ending this video until I beat this level. I'm not leaving until I beat this level. Let's go. I'd give this game a 0 out of 10. This game sucks. I'm gonna need that monkey later, though. Turn around real quick. Turn around. Oh yeah, but I'm gonna need that later. I'm gonna need that. Oh yeah. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, goodbye.